This is a big piece of information for students who've been awaiting to write their CBSE exams. Date sheet of class 12 is now out. Examinations for class 12 as well will be conducted from between 1st to 15th of July across of India. CBSE 12th examinations, the date sheet of class 12 also out. July 1st to 15th across of India. And this has of course been announced by the HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal, who's put this out on his Twitter handle, the entire schedule for the CBSE Class 10 examinations, scheduled for Northeast alone. Northeast Delhi has been released as well, and for the Northeast Delhi 10th examinations will also happen between the 1st to 15th of July. Milan Sharma for more on this. Milan, Class 12 examination dates also has been out, and that too will be conducted between the 1st and the 15th of July across the country. Do bring us more details on that as well.
Yes, Nabila. In fact, the CBSE has released the date sheet of Class 12. So this will be the rescheduled examinations across India as well as for the Northeast. So we will be flashing that date sheet on the screens, and we start on the 1st of July. The examinations will be held from 10:30 to 1:30, and subsequently there are papers that have been mentioned, like home science will be on 1st. 2nd July is Hindi elective and Hindi code, which is all India. 3rd July is physics. 4th July is accountancy. 6th July is chemistry. 7th July is informatics practical, computer science, informatics practical old and new with computer information and text. 8th July is English elective, English core. 9th July is business studies, biotechnology is on 10th July, and 11th July is geography. So following this, there are other remaining papers as well till the 15th of July. And certainly the norms that have to be followed have to be complied accordingly of what has been mentioned by the CBSE. The students will have to be coming in the center with hand sanitizers in a transparent bottle. They also have to cover their faces, so mask is essential to be worn. Physical distancing norms will be followed within the center. Parents need to ensure that the ward is not sick, which means the child should not be sick. Although it's not mentioned, Nabila, whether thermal screening will be done at these centers for these students where these examinations are being taken. But of course, the examinations will only be held with an admit card there. And along with what I mentioned earlier, till the 11th of July is the geography paper. Mathematics, political science, economics, history and biology will also be taken till the 15th. So let me tell you again, these are examinations that will be held across India as well as for the Northeast, especially for the Class 12 CBSE board that was remaining because of the lockdown.
Class 12 CBSE board across of India, examinations will be conducted in the month of July, 1st to 15th. Here, Milan, 5-month gap between the old date, which was scheduled to happen around the month of February, and now in the month of July. What do you think is the real sentiment on ground across of India? Students have been eager. What more do we know about students and their preparation? Would you know?
Well, Nabila, your question is on point. Students have been very eager and they have been waiting to attend to these examinations where students want to give these papers. Many of them also were hoping that, the CBSE does not take these papers and pass them on internal assessments. But the MHRD ministry decided that Class 12 papers need to be rescheduled and reconducted again. Which is why these dates from July 1st to 15th were announced early on. And with the date sheet, again, we are still some time away from July, so there's still some time for the students to prepare. And certainly, without any panic, the centers have been told to be ready to sanitize themselves and to have proper social distancing norms where students will come and attend these papers in the centers. Certainly hand sanitizers and mask covering is essential. And Nabila, a very important message here is also that life needs to go on. These are examinations. They are crucial for students' development and assessment, and they need to be taken, which is why the MHRD ministry is also very cautious when they announce these dates in July, giving enough time for students to prepare as well once again.
Right. Thank you very much, Milan, for joining us with those details. A big relief for the CBSE students, Class 10 students of Northeast, whose exams were pending, and Class 12 CBSE exams for across of India now between the 1st to 15th of July. More details on the schedule, on the subjects, on the Twitter handle of Ramesh Pokhriyal, the HRD Minister.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.